going to show you this new dog breed. This dog breed is called an echonic. And an echonic is a really furry dog with a flat face. They have all different colors. What kind of echonic dog? There's stripes. There's a striped one, spotted, cow spots, white, brown, and black. This echonic dog, it looks like this echonic dog. This echonic dog looks like a cat terrier. This dog has pointy ears, and it looks like this dog, echonic. That dog breed is called a echonic. Yep. So this dog breed, this echonic dog's eyes looks like covered eyes that you cannot see his eyes. This one got eyes that looks like this. But echonics do not bark. They say, oh, 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 in a echonic's voice. They do not bark. And listen to the echonic dog's voice. Listen closely. And the other colors of the dog's echonic's voice is different. Just listen. Listen really close. Did you hear what the echonic dog breed's voice? They do not bark. They go oh, 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 oh in a echonic's voice. That's kind of funny. So echonic dogs are really cute and furry too. About this furry dog, it's really furry, and it's really big. Echonic dogs are really expensive. They're really big dogs, just like Great Pyrenees and Tibetan Mastiffs. So those dogs have flat faces, so does cat terriers and echonics. Their faces are flat. So this is the dog breed that we're gonna talk. The echonic.